Trying to replace the orange o-ring for the low pressure port on this 2006 Honda Pilot power steering pump, and I tried so many methods. Finally realized some of them suggest taking the top timing cover off, but I decided to get the belt off. Didn't remove the this is a 2006 Honda Pilot. I changed the high pressure power steering line, but still got some whine. So figured out the low pressure port o-ring is probably going bad. So it's the 10mm bolt. There's only one right below this port. It's kind of hard to get there, and some suggest removing this top timing cover. I decided to try without doing that. Just cut the belt off, put it on the side, and just using a small 10mm wrench, I was able to go here like so, and then break it loose, and I'm able to, if it's visible, spin it off. I was thinking about taking this pulley off, power steering pulley, but just like that, got the bolt off. And this short one is really useful. This is a 10mm Husky. All right, I had to go get the o-ring, new o-ring, and we'll take a look at it. I just removed the port, and looks like the o-ring is stuck in there. Let's take a closer look. Right there, where my finger is pointing inside. So I'm gonna take a pick and get it off. It's black color. Normally the Honda original o-ring is orange color, so I'm gonna replace that and see if that takes care of the issue. Here's the look at the old one versus the new one. So I'm gonna put the new one on with some power steering fluid, and hopefully that takes care of the issue. I tested this old o-ring. It's so brittle, it's like a rock. It's really hard compared to the new one. Everything is back in place. I'm gonna start and test how it works.